Hi parents, I just wanted to give a quick video on how to use Clever and some of the apps on there since some parents have questions about them. So when your kids go to redclayschools.com/cook, they're going to go to resources and then they can find Clever and then they'll click Clever again. And when they log on to Clever the first time on a new device, it's going to have them enter their Google email. So they're going to do s dot their first name dot their last name at redclayschools.com. And their lunch card number is their password. If they've already logged in, it might let them go automatically, or they might just have to click on their Google email. So when they go to Clever, you can go into G104 resources, and this is where it has some of our apps we've been using. So a lot of these the kids have access to at home. I will put hearts on the ones that we do so the students will be able to access them quicker. So Epic is a great one. This one's for reading. This allows the students to read books or to listen to stories. So they're going to need to log in. So let me log out so you can see what it looks like for the students. So they're going to click login, and then they're going to click login as a student, and they can log in using JUM 1426 and clicking go. And then they're going to find their name. So we'll log in as Alex. And the students can search by author, title, keyword. So if they wanted to learn about dinosaurs, they could type in dinosaurs. And stories about dinosaurs would come up. So say they wanted to choose this one. The students have different options. They can have the story read to them by clicking this play button at the bottom.
Fossils and Dinosaurs by Julie K. Lundgren. Paleontology.
Or they can just pause it and the students can read it themselves. And then there's also videos. Certain books are read to me only. Other books they have to read. They don't have the animation and the author or the person reading the story for them. They can also go to quizzes, read a book, and then take a quiz on that book that they read. So that's Epic. Another one we use is Spelling City. We use this for our vocabulary words and our spelling words. So the students will need to go to search. They'll go down to teachers and parents this time. And they will type in my full name, Courtney Cicchini, and click submit. And then it'll come up Courtney Cicchini, Cook Elementary. And when it comes up, here's all of our spelling words that the students can click on and our vocabulary words. So if they wanted to practice change makers, they would click on games and play any of the games. Our next one I wanted to show you is Storyline Online. And on here, the students can just listen to stories read by actors, different celebrities. Again, they can search by title on here, or they can just scroll through and pick a story. So here's an example of what that's like. They may prompt you to pick how you want it read, and you'll usually select the YouTube one. So here they're showing you the story as they're reading it.
Amazing!
So that's Storyline. And then if you go back to the main page, we also have some other resources on there that the students use. I'm looking into Pebble Go right now. The students usually access that, but right now the logon does not seem to be working. So some other ones down here in red clay apps that the students use are Dreambox, which is a math website. They're more than welcome to play on Dreambox. They click on it, they log in with Clever. It's going to look a little different because this is the teacher access one. Let me see if I can log into a student one. To show you what it looks like. I might not be able to right now. So theirs is going to look like this right here, and they can click on different activities to play. Sorry, my daughter's asking for a ball. Here you go. All right, another one they can go on is Keyboarding Without Tears. That helps them practice keyboarding. And then another one down here in the school apps is Abdo Zoom. We use this for research. And they can click whether they want to do animals or biographies.
Biographies.
This one, it's also read to them if they want, or they can just read it themselves. So say they wanted to learn about a scientist.
Scientists and innovators.
And then again, it gives them even more subcategories.
Scientists.
So scientists again. And they wanted to learn about
Benjamin Franklin.
So here they can start reading about Benjamin Franklin or have it read to them. And then click the
Early
tabs
leader.
at the top to learn about those specific areas. Then there's some activities they can do. Cool facts.
Cool fact.
Just tells you something that was not in the story. Down here, there's some activities that they can do after reading this story. You can print them out
Connect
for the students
dots.
to do. So that's Abdo Zoom. And those are really the apps we use the most in the classroom. Of course, we use Schoology. Some of you were looking for the Schoology resources that I've been sending. So the kids will log on to Schoology. Again, they might have to type in their at Red Clay School's email, the s.firstname.lastname, or it might be loaded for them. Because I'm a teacher, I have to log in a little differently, but I will still show you what the Schoology page looks like and the activities that are on there. So on here, they go to Schoology. Again, theirs will look a little different when they log on. Theirs will look similar to this. And they're going to want to go to Courses and click on the one with the second grade picture. And from there, they'll scroll down to the bottom. Theirs, again, will look a little different. They won't have all of these. And click on this March 16th to March 29th. Good job. Sorry. And then, again, here's different activities that they can do. So if they wanted to practice writing, they can go into the writing folder, and there's 2 writing activities. So if they wanted to do All About Me, they will log in and they'll click this arrow at the top. They will make a copy. Good job, Ella. And then it gives them access to complete the writing. So the students know that when we go and make a copy of a new Google activity, we want to change the name here to their name. So they'll type in their name, All About Me. Yeah, I see, Elle. Sorry about that. And one of the most important thing is after they're doing the activities, if they could click this share button and they're going to type in Courtney.Doyle at redclayschools.com. And then it sends it to me so I'm able to check their work. So again, it was Courtney.Doyle at redclayschools.com. And this is also in your email on how to do this. Some of you were saying you're having trouble finding that share button. You can also do file share and the same thing comes up. So those are just some resources for the students to use, and we'll be sending out more activities, resources, and I will be doing more videos. Thank you for listening.